In this video, I'll show you how to use CapCut on iPhone. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for CapCut. Download and install the app if you do not already have it. Once it is installed, open CapCut and allow the permissions it asks for, such as access to your photos and videos. This lets you import media from your iPhone library. From the CapCut home screen, tap New Project. Now choose the video clips or photos you want to edit. Select them in the order you want them to appear, then tap Add to place them on the timeline. Once your project opens, you will see your video preview at the top and the editing timeline at the bottom. Tap a clip on the timeline to select it. From there, you can trim the clip, split it, adjust speed, change volume, remove background, add filters, or apply effects. To trim a clip, drag the edge of the clip left or right. To cut out a section, move the playhead to the cut point, tap Split, then delete the part you do not need. If you want to add text, tap Text, then choose Add Text. Type your message, choose a font, change the color, and place it anywhere on the screen. You can also add auto captions if your video has speaking. To add music, tap Audio, then choose Music, Sound Effects, or import your own audio. After adding music, adjust the volume so it does not overpower any voice in the video. You can also tap Format to choose the right size for your video. Use 9:16 for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, or 16:9 for YouTube. When your edit is finished, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your video quality, wait for CapCut to save the video, and then share it wherever you want. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.